In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email capture form in GetResponse. We'll walk through the whole process from your main dashboard to publishing a fully working form that can start collecting subscribers for you right away. I'll also point out a few options you might want to pay attention to so your form not only looks good, but also appears in the right place at the right time. Start on your GetResponse dashboard. At the very top, you'll see the main navigation. Hover over or click on the Tools option. This will open a larger, or what's often called a mega menu. From here, look for the section labeled Forms and Pop-ups and go ahead and select that. On the Forms and Pop-ups page, move to the top right corner and click the Create button. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking how you want your message to be displayed. You'll typically see options like showing it as a pop-up on your site or embedding it directly into a page or a message. A pop-up is great if you want it to grab attention, while an embedded form is more subtle and fits nicely into existing content. Choose the display type that works best for your goal, then click Next to continue. Now you'll be taken to a gallery of templates. This is where you choose the design for your email capture form. On the left-hand side, you'll see filters that help you narrow things down. To quickly find templates designed specifically to build your audience, click on the option labeled Grow Email List. That will filter the gallery to show you the most relevant designs. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that fits your brand and the style of your website. When you've made your choice, hover your mouse over that template and click Use Template. The template will open up in the visual editor. In the editor, your form will already include basic fields like name and email. To customize anything, simply click directly on an element in the preview area. When you select an element, its editing and styling options will appear on the right-hand side. Here you can adjust the text, colors, fonts, button labels, and even the spacing to match your branding. Spend some time here to make sure your form looks clean, clear, and inviting, and that your call to action button text is compelling. When you're happy with the design, move to the top right corner and click Next. On this screen, you'll configure how the form behaves. You can choose the audience or list where new contacts will be added, set up any e-commerce related targeting if that applies, and fine-tune the triggers and timing. For example, you can decide whether the form appears immediately, after a certain number of seconds, or when someone is about to leave the page. These settings are important because they determine who sees your form and when they see it. Once those options look good, click Next again. Now you'll choose exactly where to display the form. This might be specific pages, your entire site, or particular conditions based on your setup. Review these placement options carefully so that your form appears in the most relevant context for your visitors. When everything is configured, go to the bottom right corner and click Save and Publish. At this point, your email capture form is live with the design, behavior, and placement you've chosen, and you're ready to start building your email list using GetResponse.